everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something very different and out of the box. So if you're someone who loves reading books, here I am with a book recommendation because Valentine's Day is around the corner, and if you're someone who loves a romantic novel, you should totally grab it. Or if your partner loves it or your friends love it, to whom you want to gift something, you can definitely gift this one. I'm here to give you a honest review about what I feel about this book right here, which is Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli, also known to be Mostly Sane. So we all know her. This is her debut book. She's gotten into writing books now. I mean, how talented is she? So I am going to honestly review her basis a debutant and not as an experienced writer, to be very honest, because you would have already seen a lot of reviews out there where people are bashing about how she's written the novel and it is not up to the mark and all of those stuff. But let's be kind, every startup or every starter or a person who is a debutant has to be given another chance, and we really need to be kind to them, right? So I'm going to say what I feel. So let's quickly get started. So let's start on how this book look. This book looks absolutely stunning. This is a paper bag kind of a thing. Okay, it is not hardcover, which is very great. The paper quality is fab. I love the fact that it has like a 3D effect right here and also a graphic here, and behind there is a summary on what exactly you can expect out of the book. There is this name, Prajakta Kohli, obviously because she's a writer. And the fun part and the most touchy part was that she's written something here for the viewers or for the readers, if I might say so. So she's written, the fact that you bought this copy without reading reviews on Amazon really shows how blind love can be. I love you too. Love, Prajakta. Which means, I mean, she put that thought like there are going to be so many fans and people are going to pick her book as soon as it is released. And I think that's such a thoughtful thing to do, of writing such a sweet gesture for all the readers. So I loved this. Now, moving on to what exactly this book is. So, this book is about Avni and Aman. Now, Avni is someone who is pursuing law and also works at a bookstore where these people meet. And she is someone who loves to read romantic novels, but she doesn't believe in real love stories. So, that's the twist. And Aman, in the other part, is handsome, tall, super kind, and then we all think that is he too good to be true? He's so good. I mean, the way Prajakta have put Aman in the story, you would sit here and imagine your man to be that way. I mean, trust me, I did. And it was like, oh my God, I could resonate. The only thing that I did not like, or I really want Prajakta to do, was I really wanted her to tell on how Avni actually looked, because if you read the book, she's actually described the characteristic about the physique, how kind, or the emotional aspect of everything of Aman, but she's actually missed to describe the characteristic of how Avni actually looked. So the visualization process about Avni was not very clear. I literally had to make like a visual of, might be that's Prajakta Kohli, and then I could resonate with it. But I think that thing is very important when you read a book, because then you have to be like mentally prepared, or you have to visualize thing, if you understand what I'm trying to say. It's extremely important that the characteristic of the characters are described very precisely and very beautifully, so that you can visualize like a movie is going on in your mind. That is something that I love, but I think Prajakta missed that part about Avni. But that's fine. Yeah, honestly, that's fine. So let me tell you what I actually liked about this story. So I love the fact that she's put Avni as a person who's extremely strong but has so much of insecurities, like many of us, and so many of us would relate to it. And in the other hand, there is this Aman who is like so talented, so kind, and is like the perfect guy, a dream guy that every girl would search or seek for. The book is actually written with the storyline of Mumbai, and that cultural touch to it actually gets in like so much of vibe only because you've seen Mumbai, or I mean, I have seen Mumbai. I exactly know where they were, what parts they were walking in, and the visualization is just bang on and perfect. Now, what could be better? I think the storyline was very much predictable. If you're someone who's been reading a lot of romantic novels, you would already predict what is going to come. But there were parts in between that were really, really fun to read. So, that is something that I love. Another part was the bits in between were very, very slow and little boring. But trust me, it did make up at the end. The last part of the book is like a true gem and absolutely bang on for the last part of the book. Final thought. Overall, I feel that Too Good to Be True is heartwarming, sweet, with lot of emotions and humor. If you enjoy light, feel good reads, you'll enjoy this one. Would I recommend it? Yes, I will recommend it for someone who loves contemporary Indian romance. You can definitely get your hands on it. And you tell me if you have read it and your thoughts. Please remember to be kind because she is a debutante. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love. Be kind, okay?